In this video you will see me going out on a boat trip to some really amazing landscapes in the Philippines. I was starting the day in the town of Coron, located on an island out at sea and about 1.5 hour plane ride away from the capital of Manila. The town has about 70,000 people and around 500,000 visitors each year. Today I was about to get on one of the many boats and head out to see some amazing landscapes and freshwater lakes. Hello everybody and welcome to another video here from the Philippines and the island of Coron. We're going out on a boat trip today and I paid I think 1,700 pesos for this trip. Been standing around for an hour just trying to get on this boat. As you can see here, full of people. Here we go. Here we go, finally out on the dock. You are the tour guide? Yes. Rodrigo. So we're all waiting here on the dock. Here we go, on the boat now. Ooh.
One clear.
Now it's been like an hour and 45 minutes and we're just leaving the harbor here, or the docks. Next stop is the lake, Kayangan Lake. We were heading out to the main attraction in Coron, a massive green island with limestone cliff formations and freshwater lakes on the inside, and also crystal clear waters and reefs. To get into the lakes, we would have to dock the boat and go for a bit of a hike across the mountain and into the other side. We have arrived at the first stop here, Kayangan Lake. Incredible mountains that you can see here on both sides. So we have arrived here. We gotta go through another boat because there are so many boats here. So we have to cross over here. Thank you. Fried fish on the grill in this boat. Go through another boat here to get to the dock. And those people just got back to their boat here. Got my snorkel ready here. There is a long line here. Oh. Here we go, finally. So now we're here. I was actually here in 2017 and at that time there were a couple of boats here. Not many at all, and we came straight into this area here. Now 50, 60 boats, tourists all over the place. And I made actually a video from here in 2017. One of my first videos that got any views at all. So maybe I contributed at that time to what's happening here now, as you can see. Social media, I think, has ruined the Philippines since I've been here now, visiting a couple of tourist spots. This is from 2017, the exact same lake. We were a total of about 4 people there, and I've been traveling with a girl. We were swimming around there without life jackets, and it was so peaceful and super clear water. This was one of my absolute first YouTube videos also that got any views at all and made me keep going with YouTube. no flights. Also the boats are booked, so there's no boat out of here. So we'll see if I'm able to even get out of this island here, Coron, eventually. Yeah, because I was looking at flights last night, no flights, and the next boat is like in a week. Oh, up the steps here. This is very In 2017, I had walked these exact same steps and a total of just 4 people, but now hundreds and hundreds of people and tourists everywhere. But that's usually what happens to nice places when the world finds out about them. Now we just had to walk across this little mountain and into the incredible lake on the other side. And it's all fresh water, probably from rainwater filling up these hollow areas in between the mountains. I was here. I saw like a couple of people on this walk. That's changed so much. Crazy tourism. Yeah, I have to do the vlogging. Oh, someone's too polite. We have arrived here to the lake.
Excuse us. He's a fat brother.
You gotta have a life jacket now, because 2 people drowned here some years back, and then now you cannot swim past this line over here. So also some lifeguards over there. Anyway, it's pretty nice here, but let's see. I think when you start going back to the same places that you've already been to, then it's probably time to stop traveling. I've been everywhere I wanted to go in the world, except Iceland, but I really have to save that for a special occasion. But now this really confirms that it's probably time to stop my travels. That was it. Now we're heading to the next stop. Quite nice. I was flying my drone there. You can see all the lakes. I see what it is. Oh, very nice. Chef. This is the chef here on the boat. All the other people had not returned to the boat, so I jumped in next to where the boat was docked and swam down to see if I could see some cool reefs right there. The reef was actually really nice, even though it was right there by all the boats. I swam down deeper and really enjoyed the scenery. And also it was like a steep wall and a total drop into infinity. The rest of the people had arrived back to the boat, so we started heading out to the next stop and going through these really cool landscapes. They're cooking their lunch here again. We're gonna stop for lunch. Chef. I'm just taking a video. It's a video vlog. 10 minutes to the next stop. It's lunchtime here. We're stopping at the Twin Lagoon. Looks pretty nice, as you can see here. You have to go in there and sit there and eat the lunch. We had arrived at another stop and parked the boat again. This area has many unique formations with lakes and deep round pools of water. It was quite cool, and some of these areas reminded me of the Maldives. Except in the Maldives there are no mountains like this.
Duolingo na. Parang yung Rosetta Stone.
Duolingo?
Parang yung Rosetta Stone, parang siyang Duolingo.
Same for you, or?
No, we're fine. Our friends, they're back in the.
The first lagoon and second lagoon go back to the same way. Because it's not allowed to swim around the island because it's too far, okay?
Okay.
Estás incómodo, pero que esto no es un mar abierto, ¿sabes?
This give you discount, 1,400. Yes.
I bought a black pearl necklace here for 2,500 pesos. I'm not sure, maybe I got scammed, but I don't think so. So let's hope we don't lose it now when we go snorkeling here. I jumped in again, but this area would not have great reefs because there had been too many tourists swimming here. However, really nice to get into the water. Oh, something bit me here. I took the necklace off. I didn't like the feeling that I got when I was wearing it. Same one time I had a Louis Vuitton t-shirt or like some kind of collar shirt, and I also didn't like how that made me feel when I was walking around. Felt like I was like showing off. Sometimes I like to show off, but not with stuff like that. Don't know why. I hope we're leaving soon. I'm the only guy again on the boat. Only person on time here. What kind of mask is that?
I know.
It's good. better than mine. We started heading out again to the next stop, another one of the lakes inside these mountains. But something bad would happen here. Now this is another stop, Barracuda Lake. Also a lake in between the mountains here. So we have to walk up here. Not nearly as many people here as the first lake this morning. As you can see, there are many of these lakes inside the mountains, and this was one of the bigger ones we had walked into. Here we have Barracuda Lake. Let's see, we can only swim to right there. And then I swam around in this lake for a while and got back to the boat, but realized that my GoPro had started leaking water and it shut off. My GoPro started leaking and it turned off, so it's broken. This one is also kind of broken because I can't see in the display. The display is broken. It's kind of unfortunate because we're going to a place called Coral Garden, and that's where all the corals are. But I won't be able to record anything because the GoPro is not working out anymore. So we'll see. Too bad. Two of the reefs, that's where we're going now. So there won't be any more underwater footage for a while. Here is the last stop of the day. It's beach, and the sun is about to set here also. We had gone to the last stop of the day and had seen the best reef I'd probably ever seen anywhere in the world. But since my camera was broken, I couldn't record underwater anymore. I had been talking to some nice people on the boat, and also as the boat trip came to an end, we had gone to eat some really good food at one of the local restaurants. I had 2 dishes, some kind of nachos and something else I didn't know what it was, but it was so good. And the people I'd met were really kind people. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the coming videos I will try to get out of this island, but all the flights were fully booked and I had some big trouble with the boat. Subscribe to see what happens and so you don't miss the next video.